Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPad 10 generation, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to use free VPN on this device. Firstly, let's check where I am without VPN. So just open TurboVPN.io if you want to check what's your location, how websites see your location. In my case it's Poland. As you can see, I'm in Poland, in Kraków. It's true, Poland, Sweden, okay. So now let's check VPN. So just install VPN application. I suggest to use free application TurboVPN. Of course you can buy additional features on this application. For example, you can buy access to the feature that you can choose the server, the country to connect, but it's VPN great because you can connect to any VPN server automatically, the fastest VPN servers. This is the fastest VPN application for free. So click on the cross in the left top corner, relax identification down below. So as you can see here, you can choose the country to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, just click on Germany and choose the server. But here are only premium servers. But if you want to connect to the nearest and fastest server, just click on Fast Server, click Allow, confirm your password and wait. Click on the cross in the top corner and great, we are successfully connected. So now open your web browser and check your location with VPN now. So just reload to ap.io or any similar website, and as you can see, I'm in Germany now. Great. As you can see, it works. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.